let's talk Harley Davidson. Brother. If you haven't seen, Harley's had a pretty bad PR time for the last couple weeks. If you missed Sturgis, which I understand Sturgis is a motorcycle rally, so I could go on this. But when I think of Sturgis, I think Harley or Indian, or, you know, like that kind of bike. It's definitely not a sport bike kind of thing, where like Daytona is a little more mixed, Laconia is, you know, a little more mixed. But Sturgis to me is Harley's. You know, Harley's, Indians, Bagger, like that kind of big bike. And I don't mean fast, I mean big. But if you missed the news, or like the PR from it, not good for Harley, not good at all. Their Harley tent was empty. People talking shit about them because word that everybody likes to use when they don't like it, the woke. So yesterday, as I'm on X, Twitter, I'm gonna call it Twitter because I don't fucking hate the word X. Twitter, this picture popped up. Future me, please put picture set here. Ta-da! And it's their statement, basically, I'm gonna paraphrase a bunch of shit. Basically saying we're not gonna do anything DEI, that's right, yeah. We're only gonna do sponsorships for motorcycling and motorcycle type stuff, you know. Basically saying like we are going full closed doors, not closed doors, but closed, you know, no expansion. Which obviously as a company you want to expand into new customer bases. You want to keep selling bikes to different people so that you can keep making money and as a company growing. Like it's just how companies work. You want to keep growing. You want to sell to new people. Like that's why it's funny to me that Harley is one of the first companies that has a fully electric bike that they've been selling for years with the Livewire. It does not fit into the Harley side of things. You know, big V twins, lots of leather and chrome. But so they're basically just saying, nope. Yeah, we've made a mistake. We pissed off our Harley, you know, the Harley brother, and we're gonna go back to the way things were. So I didn't know anything, like I didn't think it was getting this bad. So I went onto YouTube and I just typed in Harley Davidson, and the first thing I see is some guy. I don't know if he bought this bike for the video or if it's his actually bike that he's ridden for a while. Whatever, I don't know. I don't care. Doing as like as if you read the comments, as snowflake a response as possible, saying, oh, we gotta boycott this company, we're gonna boycott Harley. And he went even farther, not just boycotting Harley, no, he shot and blew up the bike. Mind you, this thing has like a ton of views, and the channel's pretty big in general. I don't like, it doesn't matter. I'm not even gonna link it or try and say, I don't care. But it just makes me laugh that the snowflake response that everyone, like, you know, is to hate on a company because they do something you don't like and to boycott them. And yeah, I've seen people like debadging their Harleys, like, because that really fucking matters. Like, you're still on a Harley, everyone knows it's a Harley. If you take the badges off, does it make it any better? No, you're not changing anything, you're still riding it. And the funny thing is, all of this is not new. If you've paid attention, Harley has been changing since like 2019, when they took all of their export production from Wisconsin and moved it to Thailand and China, so they didn't have to pay import tariffs on the bikes that they sell over there. Apparently, as far as I know, all of the bikes that are sold in America that are Harleys are built here. I think, as far as I could read. But this isn't something new. This isn't like the company just one day deciding we're gonna hire this guy and he's gonna be woke and yeah, we're gonna screw this Harley brand. Because at some point, when you look at, I'm assuming the Harley age, like the demographics is much higher than it is for a sport bike demographics, or even just, you know, adventure bikes, dirt bikes, anything like that. At some point, you've got to have new customers. Like, at some point, you have to bring in people. You can't keep selling bikes to the same people year after year, because eventually they're gonna die, and then you're not gonna have anybody buying your bikes. So all these people complaining about it and saying, "Oh, I'm never buying a Harley again because of these woke." Like, if you like the brand, who cares? I don't know. To me, it's just funny that like the instant like rubber band snapback, they got so much bad press or bad PR from the people who like their brand that they just said, nope, other direction. Like, we're going the 180. We're not going to do any DEIs. We're not going to support anything other than motorcycle and motorcycle brands. And like, okay, you're fine. I don't know. I have no problem with Harleys. I have no problem with people ride Harleys. I don't care. It's just funny to me that people can be so like up in arms, fire and pitchfork, you know. It's just, to me, it's funny. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me. What do you think of this? Like, do you have a Harley? Have you debadged your Harley? Are you boycotting the brand? Are you one of those people? Or are you like me and you ride a sport bike and you don't care? Like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me your ideas. Are you, did you sell it? Are you riding an Indian? Are you laughing because you're riding an Indian and you're like, haha, stupid Harley? or whatever it is. I don't know. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.